Opposition politician Nelson Chamisa says greedy opposition leaders lack the gravitas to liberate Zimbabwe from its current hardships just by merely criticizing the government for poor planning and inducing hunger ravaging the nation. Sadabara mashoko anobuda toko panapa aribwa Nelson Chamisa awandodibo subscribe like turn on the bell like timira paendo ichinji radio vakomana muzara naso mudonyera vachiti. Over the years, Chamisa has taken advantage of the event to mobilize resources for onward transition to targeted families across Zimbabwe every festive season. Asked to share his views against a background where some opposition leaders have defected to the ruling party, while a section of citizens are getting weary of the country's prolonged struggle. The opposition leader reiterated that the journey to freedom is not meant for self-serving people. The struggle to liberate the country is neither a one-day wonder nor instant coffee affair. It's not a walk in the park or a fly-by-night task. One needs to be consistent, conscious, and strong. The fight is not a fight for opportunities, but a fight for values. We need strong leaders who are not after saving themselves, but who save others, leaders who are not motivated or driven by a galloping appetite for material gains. Leaders must be driven by the broader and collective objective of making a difference, he said. Domashukanacha Honorable Nelson Chamisa chiti aiwa isinoda maleaders anonyasa kuseva people, maleaders ane consistency, kuti leader anengambo accusiwa neimwe mhosva yakati ozoonekwa achida kuzama kuda kukama back to my citizens, anouya achiti aiwa when you are saving the community, aiwa munhu unofanira kuramba uri consistent, zvaari kuonekwa kuti each and every year African Nelson Chamisa ari kukama back to the citizens, aiwa achiona kuti aiwa kune ma-underprivileged members of the community anovaitira something pazororo rino. Tidze mafungiro enyu motodi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pena comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.